This is the marina in downtown Los Cabos. All these beautiful yachts. Greg Norman had his yacht out here the other day. Looked more like a small city, but that's Greg Norman. So you can have some beer and some lunch or dinner right in the marina, watching all the boats. And if you feel like taking one of these boats out for a little cruise, you certainly can. They've got all kinds of different options, like the booze cruise. You go out in a catamaran and have some lunch and some beer. You can take a cruise out and go snorkeling, paddle diving, or I'm sorry, paddle boarding, diving, fishing. They've got great fishing here. Any one of the resorts that you go to will have all of this information near the front desk to tell you of all the excursions that are available. And all of them are really worth seeing. Glass Bottom Boat is really cool. So there's lots to explore and lots to do in Los Cabos.